skip the wings and make these Buffalo Ranch chicken legs instead. The ingredient list is short and sweet, and they can be made in a regular oven or an air fryer. First, you marinate the chicken legs in some buttermilk, or in my case, I use some milk with apple cider vinegar to make a buttermilk replacement. Let that sit for about 30 minutes, and then you drain off the milk. Now it's time to sprinkle in plenty of dry ranch seasoning and give it all a good shake. You might want to give it 2 coats to make sure every leg is coated nicely. Now it's time to line those legs up on a baking sheet that's been fitted with a rack into a preheated oven and cook them until they reach a temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. Before serving, brush them with melted butter and some hot sauce. Wow, don't those look good? Serve them along with some blue cheese dip. Enjoy, it's time to eat. Get the full recipe at Kudos Kitchen by Renee.com.